Yo, what's up guys, Shroy here from Just Another Style channel, coming back to you guys again with another video. Today's video is going to be kind of special because your boy's going to attempt to vlog again. That's right, I don't vlog a lot. I am terrible at it. I'm kind of shy talking in public in front of a camera with a whole mic setup in front of me. And you know, in the past I didn't have a mic, so hopefully this time it goes a lot better. And what makes this vlog kind of special, or what made me want to actually try to vlog again, was the fact that this is a Jordan store event where I got to customize and make my own pair of Air Jordan 1s. So over the past few days, the Foot Action account has been basically letting a lot of information out and hinting at a customization event, and eventually they posted a sign up where you got to sign up with an affiliate account that you made on Nike.ca. So if you have a Nike Plus account, you got to register on a time slot to customize. So basically at this event, I'm gonna get to hydro dip, deconstruct, tack stitch, and basically do whatever I want to a pair of Air Jordan 1s. And as you guys know, this is my favorite model of Jordans out there, so your boy had to sign up and go to this event. I am super excited, and I'm super excited to bring you guys with me. This is the busiest weekend in Toronto in my opinion. You got Carabana, you got Veld, you also got the Scarborough Rib Fest, and a bunch of things going down this weekend, and there's even a Taylor Swift concert, you know, so shout out to you, T-Swift, for doing your thing, and shout out to Ribfest because, you know, your boy has to hit up Ribfest at some point over this weekend. Anyways, so that pretty much is everything going on over the weekend, and how I'm choosing to celebrate my long weekend and my only day off from work is actually going to this Jordan event. I'm super excited, and I'm super excited to bring you guys along with me. So without further ado, let's see how it goes down. Alright, so that pretty much sums it up for the footage I had from the event. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got to follow the journey with me. I pretty much tried to stay silent. I was on my full director mode, Steven Spielberg-ish, just doing my thing, enjoying the event and letting you guys enjoy it with me rather than me narrating and just telling you guys what I'm doing, just seeing the whole process go down with me along the way. So what basically went down was I purchased a pair of Air Jordan 1 mids. That's the model you got to customize. I saw a few Air Maxes and I saw a few 4s as well, all white 4s and all white Air Maxes. But the main model that a lot of people were customizing and got to do was the Air Jordan 1 mid. And the price overall for this entire event was $165. So honestly, it was a really cool event. I didn't mind. It was fun. I had a lot of fun doing this, and you know, it's my favorite model of shoe. The price wasn't bad. You basically get to pay for the shoe and then you get to do whatever you want to it. So in this box over here, I have my customized pair. You guys got to see a little bit of a sneak peek when it came to the footage I had from the event. So now I'm going to give you guys a rundown of how the final product looks. Alright, so as you guys can see, here's the shoes that I got to customize. I'm super happy with it. There's still a little work to be done on them, and I'll go into detail with that in just a minute. But to give you guys an overview of each shoe, here's the first one over here. Now this was done by a local artist, and I'm really glad I got to put this design on my shoe. This is the one where you guys saw in the video where I actually deconstructed the swooshes. It's actually a lot harder to tape up shoes and deconstruct swooshes than I thought. So shout out to all those people out there that do DIY tutorials. You guys are crazy. I don't know how you guys have the patience to do some of this. So I came in a little late, but I still got to finish the shoe and get it done on time. Now getting the swoosh lined up here means I had to sacrifice the entire other half of the shoe, and I honestly don't mind. It kind of shows like the raw side of the shoe. Like, this is how it all started. This is the deconstructed Air Jordan 1 mid over here, a plain white canvas, and then when you turn it over, you have this beautiful piece of artwork on one side. So this shoe over here is actually inspired by Caravana itself. All the colors on the shoe over here, all these little dots you guys see, are actually countries, or the most participating countries that take part in Caravana, and red is obviously for Canada as well. So you guys got all these dots over here, and I did not know this, but I was looking over the artist's history and looking over the shoe. For every flag you actually include on a shoe, you actually have to get it cleared and get clearance for it to actually use it. So the artist actually just sampled all of the flag colors and used the blue background for the Caribbean Sea, or also from the St. Lucia flag, on the shoe itself. Overall, it looks dope. I really love how the person who was hydro dipping my shoe was able to line it up. Super cool guy. I believe his name was David. Honestly, thank you so much, and thank you for letting me come around the side and actually take some awesome footage for it. So I really do appreciate that. And these green laces over here, now this is what I honestly enjoyed and truly loved about the shoe. This is what makes the shoe pop. And I'm gonna have the shoe just like this, chilling in a display case. I'm gonna have both of them side by side over here, and I'm just have them on display. So this is actually going to be part of my room makeover that I'm working on right now, and I'll show you guys in the future when it's all said and done. But this is going to be in a display case on the side. I'm never going to wear these are a work of art, and I'm so happy that I got to make something that's super cool. And now on to the next shoe before we talk about this special tongue tag over here. So now this one here is actually by the same artist. I forget what brand it is. I believe it's a Legends League, or Legends League is the artist. And I remember I used to look at his clothing online, and back then I used to just buy clothes from the mall, Urban Planet, sorry. So I used to be one of those guys that shopped at Urban Planet all the time, H&M, you know, on the cheaper end of things. And I used to look at his brand online, and I used to love his design. So I'm glad I get to own something by him. Honestly, a staple design to me. Super dope, super cool. It's just all wrapped around the shoe. I honestly can't even tell you what it says here. I think it says "We Wear Ones" or something like that. But this little logo here was also available back on the t-shirt customization for the 1-year anniversary. So that was pretty cool. And what I'm actually gonna do this shoe is paint the swooshes white and have that simple contrast over it. And as you guys can see from the other side, it didn't carry over as much. What I initially wanted to do was have the shoes facing like this, you know, but since it didn't carry over to the side, I honestly don't mind that this and this over here. So I'm gonna have one in the back, one in the front. It's gonna look dope. And yeah, I'm actually gonna paint over the swooshes and make them full white. So it's a little mini project, a little DIY I got going on. I wish I could have actually got a sense to double hydro dip once it's dried, and you know, get this in a full submerge, but it would have overlapped the text. It wouldn't have looked as clean. So what I'm probably gonna do is make this side white and this side black, just because there's still some white showing, so have a nice little contrast, like a yin and yang going on, and them have meat in the center over here. So that pretty much sums it up for both the shoes, and I'm going to talk about all the little extras that I got to take home with me, even though I was not supposed to. So basically the event overall is kind of chaotic, just because of the time constraints. You don't have a lot of time to do everything you want, so you get to choose if you want to do tack stitching or hydro dipping. And obviously most people are going to take the hydro dipping because, you know, you can do tack stitching on your own. So I was able to take a few swooshes and just take a few home with me. I took some green ones just because they look kind of cool and they're the only ones I could find at the time. So I got these green leather swooshes here. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with them yet. I'm probably just gonna have them in the case when I put them on display, so just have these scattered around. And I took some laces as well. So you obviously got the white laces that come with your shoe. I took a pair of blue laces as well, and obviously the Vault green ones that I put on the Caribbean inspired pair. And I left it with the white laces on the red pair just because it has a nice contrast, white and red, super clean, and it matches the Hydro Dip design. And I left the tongues clean as well just because I wanted this tag to stick out and shine on the shoe. I'm gonna tell you guys what this tag says, and let me give you guys a close-up of it as well. So basically what this tag says is, this is inspired by and dedicated to every person from every nation that takes the time to visit the city I love during the most amazing weekend of the year, to share joy, spread love, and show out. Energy, 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 Brian a spirit. Born in Toronto of immigrant parents. Now honestly, it was the ending that really inspired me of it, the part where it says born in Toronto of immigrant parents, because that relates to me really closely, and this weekend is honestly one of the craziest weekends of the year, and I like how they were able to incorporate that into a tongue tag, and it's honestly really cool. So that is basically why I decided to stitch it over the original Jordan tag. Alright, so that pretty much sums it up for my customized Air Jordan 1s. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm really happy with how my shoes turned out. Really gonna look great on display. Don't know if I want to put the blue in front and the red in back, or the red in front and the blue in the back yet. I'm gonna figure that out when I get my display case, and I'm gonna show you guys how that looks. Thank you guys for actually watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it overall, and I hope you guys enjoyed the footage and got to experience the event through my eyes and see how everything went down. Super happy with the product. Gonna look dope on display, and I'm so glad I got to do this. So thank you, Jordan brand, for actually doing this overall, and for all of you guys that actually got a chance to do this event. Feel free to DM me your photos on Instagram. I always leave my Instagram down in the description below, along with all my other information, such as my Spotify playlist. It's a vibe. Go check that out in the description down below. Or if you guys got a chance to do it, let me know what design you would have done. I know I left some footage in there of all the cool little designs you got to do. And that pretty much sums it up for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends and just show off all the cool things that Jordan brand does and gives back to community and sneaker culture overall. So that's it for the video, and I'll see you guys next time.